Welcome to Projects Illustrated. Today's project will be to go into Eclipse after it's already been installed, and we're going to enable Windowbuilder. We're going to install it, and we're going to do our first Hello World application. For this application, I'm going to do a button and a text box. So let's go into the program and we'll open Eclipse. Close that window, don't need it. And I'm going to go to Help and I'm going to Install. And I'm going to go down to the very bottom thing on the list. And that should bring up some options. And one of those is General Purpose Tools. And we're going to scroll down until we see Swing. And we're going to take that plus all the stuff marked SWT. We're going to check all that and we're going to hit Next. And Next. And we're going to accept the terms and conditions. And it's going to want to reinstall or restart the program. So Eclipse is restarting. At this point, we've enabled Windowbuilder. So let's write an application using Windowbuilder. All right, let's go New, Java Project. I'll call this Project 1 and Finish. And now we're going to go in and we're going to go New. Instead of creating a class, we're going to go to Other. And let's go Windowbuilder, Swing Designer, and Application Window. And let's give it a name. I'm going to call it Window 1. All right, now we have generated code for a window. Let's get some controls on there. Make that a little bigger. And I'm going to go into Absolute Layout. So I can just put the button anywhere I want. That didn't happen. All right, let's put the new button in there and the new text box. And they didn't go exactly where I wanted them. So you do have to kind of drag these around and position them how you want. So I'll make the button a little smaller. And I'll move the text box down a little bit and make it a little smaller. And let's line up the button with the text box. All right. So the button itself, I'm going to go into one of its properties, which is listed over on the left. And I'm going to call it Say It. When we click on this, it's going to say Hello World. And then I'm going to click on the text box up top and find out what it's called. It's called Text Field. So I'm going to double click in here. That'll bring up a section of code where we can go in and just set this property. So text field dot set text field or text, and we'll put in Hello World. Great. Now let's save it and run it. And let's click Say It, and it says Hello World. It's as simple as that.